Hi students, in algebra, today I am going to tell you a new formula. It's very important and useful everywhere. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Formula A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC will be A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is the formula for A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Right? A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So if you multiply this and simplify, you will get LHS. So based on that, one important result I am telling here, if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. Very important result in algebra. Let us see the proof for this. What is given here? A plus B plus C equal to 0. So I will just transpose one term that side. Plus C I am shifting that side. Minus C. Plus C becomes a minus C. Since we have cubes here, I am taking, let it be equation 1. Cubing equation 1 on both sides. Cubing equation 1 on both sides, that is A plus B whole cube equal to minus C whole cube, right? Here I will tell you that A plus B whole cube also. Listen, A plus B whole cube formula, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. This is the formula for A plus B whole cube. So far we have seen square of binomials. Now this is a cube of binomial. Okay? A cube, or this you can write it as A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. This also you can use. Simple. 3AB I am taking common in these two terms. In these two terms I am taking 3AB common, then A plus B will remain there. Either this or this we can use. In this problem I am using this concept, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Similarly you can write A minus B whole cube also. A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. This is the formula for A minus B whole cube. This I can write like this: A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. All negatives. Okay? All negative terms you can write. Now here I am using that formula. A plus B whole cube can be written as A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. I am using this formula. Minus C whole cube means how much? Minus C cube. Minus C whole cube means minus C cube, right? So, did you understand this? A plus B whole cube formula I have written here. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. But instead of this A plus B, can I write minus C from equation 1? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into, instead of this a plus b, I am taking minus c, that equal to minus c cube. Since from equation 1. Okay? A cube plus b cube plus into minus minus 3abc equal to minus c cube. So a cube plus b cube minus c cube we bring this side, plus c cube minus 3abc shift that side, plus 3abc. Got it? See, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So therefore, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. It's a very, very important result. Okay? You have to learn the formulas perfectly. Unless you know the formula, you cannot do any problem. Okay? Learn, write, practice number of times you will get it. Read and write. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay? Is this clear? Now I will tell you problems based on this concept. Listen carefully. Whenever we have a plus b plus c equal to 0, then immediately you should say that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Instead of abc we can have xyz also. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz we can write. Okay? Let us see one problem. Evaluate using property to evaluate first question 8 cube plus minus 5 whole cube plus minus 3 whole cube. Okay? Next, 2 cube plus 4 cube plus minus 6 whole cube. Okay, listen carefully. 13 cube plus minus 8 whole cube plus minus 5 whole cube. 7 cube plus 3 cube plus minus 10 whole cube. Next, 9 cube plus minus 5 whole cube plus minus 4 whole cube. Okay? Next, 38 cube plus minus 26 whole cube plus minus 12 whole cube. Okay, minus 12 whole cube minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Eighth one, 28 cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube. 25 cube plus minus 75 whole cube plus minus 50 whole cube. 10th one, 0.2 whole cube. This is in decimals. 0.2 whole cube plus minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube. So altogether how many problems? 10 problems, right? So what is our property, by the way? I'll write the property first here. Okay. What is our property? If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to, what is the formula? 3abc. Okay. If you get a plus b plus c equal to 0, then immediately we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Now look at the first question. What is given? 8 cube plus minus 5 whole cube plus minus 3 whole cube. Immediately it looks like, see, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. No, I'll take, let a value, I'll take it as 8. Listen carefully. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. So in the place of a I am taking 8. In the place of b I am taking minus 5. In the place of c I am taking minus 3. Now first I have to calculate a plus b plus c. It's a very important condition now. First, what should you calculate? A plus b plus c we should calculate. What is a? 8 plus b means minus 5 minus 3. So 0. Clear? A plus b plus c value, what did I get here? 0. Immediately I can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to, what is my formula? 3abc. That is why I told you first itself. If you get a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So I got here a plus b plus c value 0. So in the place of a I can keep 8 now. Plus b value how much? Minus 5 plus c value how much? Minus 3 equal to 3, a value 8, b value minus 5, c value minus 3. Now if you multiply, this would be the final answer. 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, right? 15 4s are 60, 15 2s are 30, 36. So 360 is my answer. Therefore 8 cube plus minus 5 whole cube plus minus 3 whole cube value 360. Usually how do you calculate this without using any property? Without using any property means 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, minus 5 whole cube means minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. Like that we have to simplify. Okay? By using property it is very easy to calculate. Clear? I'll explain one more problem. Look at. Second question is 2 cube plus 4 cube plus minus 6 whole cube. Once again I am reminding you, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then immediately I can take a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay, let me take a value how much? 2, b value how much? 4, c value how much? Minus 6, because a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay. Now what should you calculate immediately? A plus b plus c I must calculate, because a plus b plus c equal to 0 only we have to use this property, right? Check it. 2 plus 4 plus into minus minus 6. 6 minus 6 how much? 0. Then immediately I can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. I got a plus b plus c value how much here? 0. Then immediately what can we write? A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay. So instead of a I can write 2 cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3 into what is a? 2, b 4, c minus 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24, 24 6 are 144, minus 144 is my answer. Therefore, 2 cube plus 4 cube plus minus 6 whole cube value minus 144. Is this clear? Second one okay? Now, hope it is clear. Now remaining problems you have to do yourself. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last problem I will tell you because it is in decimals. See, all the problems are in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube only. Check a plus b plus c equal to 0 or not. Compulsory it will be 0, no doubt about it. Immediately we can use a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to what? 3abc. Okay? I'll explain the 10th problem also. Listen carefully. 10th one. 10th solution. What is given? 0.2 whole cube plus minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube. Let a equal to 0.2, b equal to minus 0.3, c equal to 0.1. Now first immediately what should you check here? A plus b plus c whether 0 or not you should check. So 0 plus 2 minus 0.3 plus 0.1. 0.2, 0.1, 0.3 minus 0.3. How much? 0. So immediately I can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to what did I say? 3abc. Right? 3 into a value 0.2, b value minus 0.3, c value 0.1. So minus you will get answer. Okay. Now multiply 3 into, if you multiply this 3 2s are how much? 6. How many digits after you have to keep decimal? 1, 2, 3. So 0, 0.006. This will be 0.036 are 80. So what is my answer here? 0.2 whole cube minus 0.3 whole cube, 0.1 whole cube. The answer is minus 0.018. That is the end of solution. Okay? Hope the method is clear and try to do yourself these problems. Okay? Thank you.